Hello kids, welcome back to the virtual learning experience of GBN Senior Secondary School. Today in our EVS class, we are going to study about creepy crawly friends. The friends which were not mentioned in the previous chapter where we have studied about bigger animals classified as carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. Now we are going to zoom a little bit into the same picture and get to know more about our smaller friends. They are also known as insects based on the difference in the properties from animals. So, giving you a brief, quick recap of the body parts of insect. So, there I am having a slide to show you. Let's have a look upon parts of an insect. So in this picture, you can see that the black portion is having a small portion which is bulging upwards. This part of an insect is known as head. Then there are two thread-like structures which helps insects to feel the threat, food, heat or another things. Yes, that is antenna. Then we are going to count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Generally, an insect has 6 legs, but there could be more than that, even less than that. Correct? Then coming to the lower body part of the insect. This part is known as abdomen. And starting from the below part of the head to above part of the abdomen, this entire body is known as thorax. Now, my dear children, I'm going to give you a small, quick story. Yes, this is a story time where I'm going to tell you how animals, especially insects, are our friends or our enemies. Let's go to the garden virtually. I'm in a garden and with me Sana is playing. Sana have seen a cute little butterfly. She is colorful and very long wings are there. It's moving like this. And Sana is very happy. While she was running after it, you know what? Suddenly a mosquito, a monster mosquito came in the picture and it has bitten the Sana, my little Sana. She is crying, she is shouting towards me, and while I'm running to chase her and to see what happened, there is a bulging, swollen part on her leg. Right? In this story, you have to tell me who is the friend and who is the enemy. Of course, butterfly is a friend to whom Sana and I wants to do friendship because of its colorful wings, because of its charm. But monster mosquito is our enemy. It is hurting us, and in few cases, it even gives us so many deadly diseases like malaria, chikungunya, etc. So, in order to justify which type of insects are there, we need to learn all types of insects so that we can classify them as our friends or enemies, right? So, I'm having a slide again in which all the types of animals, insects are written. Number one is worms. When we are talking about worms, we are specially mentioning here earthworms. Earthworms lives inside the soil and they come out from the soil making it moist and loose, which helps the farmers to plow the field and to sow their seeds. So earthworms are friends. The same way snails are near the water bodies and they helps in creating the balance of minerals in the soil. So again snails are our friends. Lizards like chameleon and lizards. Now lizards, what they are doing, they looks very ugly, right? But still they are helping us. How? Because they feed on mosquitoes and houseflies. So they are eating the smaller insects, maintaining the food chain, also making the environment free from harmful insects. Coming back to chameleon, here I would like to mention a unique property of chameleon. It can camouflage. What is camouflage? Okay, let me explain you this word camouflage with an example. Have you ever missed out searching the remote while it is on your lap or maybe just below the cushion, black colored cushion, because of its own black color? It happens because both the colors are same and you have not seen it. You have not even noticed. Yes, my dear friends, my dear children, camouflage is actually a property in which an object or an animal merges with the color of the surrounding. So, chameleon is also doing this camouflage to catch its prey. You know what is prey? Prey is the insect which it is going to eat. Correct? So, chameleon can become brown if it is sitting on the trunk, may become green if it is near the leaves, and may appear red if it is near the red flowers. Correct? Then coming to the spiders. Spiders are also very helpful for us because they are also creating, or you can say they are spinning the web. This web they spin by the help of the sticky liquid produced by their mouth. That sticky liquid helps them to make their web. In that web, small insects are trapped and they can be eaten by the spider later. Then comes moth. These moths, if they are entered in your wardrobe, they'll eat up all your beautiful dresses. So, are they your friends? No. Coming back to the butterflies, yes, the same butterfly after which Sana was running. So these butterflies going back to the garden, what they're doing? They are sitting on one flower and then going to the another flower. From one to another flower, their motion is not only just hopping and running, but scientific also. How it is scientific? It is scientific because this motion from one flower to another flower is causing pollination. You will study about pollination in your senior classes, but here I'll tell you that this pollination results in the seed formation. Seed formation, which is the first step in the life cycle of a plant. So, here we are much aware that butterflies are also helpful to us. Now, my dear children, you need to find out your best friend among all these friends we have discussed today. Also, you have to find out the solutions to get away from the not so friendly insects like mosquitoes and houseflies. One tip I'm going to give you is you can stay away from the diseases caused by mosquitoes such as malaria and chikungunya by not allowing water to be collected near your surroundings. In this season of monsoon, where water is very frequently available and it is stored, collected by itself, there are huge chances of mosquitoes to breed. So, being the environmentalist, it is your shoulders responsibility that you have to stop that collection at least near your surroundings, in your home, in your balcony, in your terrace. Okay? Take care and stay home, stay safe.